maybe. Okay, we should be on the vertical angles one page. Go like this.
Vertical angles and linear pair.
Yeah, is it. My computer's been very slow all morning. We'll see how this goes. Oh, we got the spinning. Okay, there we go. Does this look familiar to you what yours looks like? Okay, so name of the game today, vertical angles and the linear pair. We're first going to talk about vertical angles, and those are angles that are directly across from each other. So like what is directly across from 2? 4. Yep, and then 1 and 3.
Oh my gosh, I sucked.
Oh, we're going to be really good at them this time around. The best part about vertical angles is that they are congruent, meaning that they are, do you know what congruent means? Not together.
Like they equal the same?
Yeah, they're the same. So like you guys said angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, so we can put 3 here. And angle 2 is congruent to angle 4. And we just told ourselves that vertical angles are congruent.
Because we did like 2 days of this, and we went through it quick in 8th grade, like you said.
Should I introduce you to it?
And I guessed. I was so confused, and most of the time at that time in the school year, by that time I zoned out a lot. I naturally do that.
That's okay.
I just zone out. I was like, even when the parents child us, I'm like, I don't get it. So I was just like,
kind of goes through one ear and out the other. Yeah, no, I understand. Sometimes it's just like hard to like pay attention. Let's pretend that angle 4 is 130 degrees. So what would angle 2 measure? Yeah, because they're the exact same. Perfect. And then if we look here, do you guys see how angle 1 and 4 make this line? So what do they have to add if they make a straight line? Remember, what does a straight line equal? 180, right? So if this is 130, what would angle 1 have to be? A little less.
50.
Yeah, 180 minus 130 is 50. And if angle 1 is 50 degrees, what is angle 3? Okay. So isn't that kind of nice? If you know one angle, you can figure out all the other ones? Okay. Let's see what's next here. Find the value of x and the measure of each angle. So are these vertical angles? Are they across from each other? Yep, so what do we know about their measures? They're the same, so we can write 14x plus 7 equals 13x plus 16. And now we just solve. What would you guys want to move first?
Minus 7.
Sure, minus 7 to both sides. So 14x equals 13x plus 9. Now what should we move? Minus the 13x over. X equals 9. Yes, perfect. But now we have to plug back in and find each angle measure. So do you guys want to plug into the 13x or the 14x? It doesn't matter. 14? Oh boy.
Oh, I left my calculator.
Well, good thing I have a whole bin.
You know, weird. So for my math problems when I was on my bed, like one of the computers.
Yeah.
And you always pull up my calculator.
That's okay. 14 times 9 is what? 126 plus 7 more gives us
32.
there we go. So these angles are 133 degrees. Are you okay with that? Okay. Find all remaining angles. Oh, this isn't so bad. Should we just like work in a circle? So if this guy's 55, that's cool. What do we know what this one would be right next to it? Right, because these are vertical, so they're the same. 50. This one, we're gonna have to. What do all three of these angles have to add to if they make a straight line?
180.
Yep. So we have to take 180 minus 50 minus 55. What'd you get? What's 180 minus 50? Is it 75? Okay. Perfect. So this angle here is 75. We know what this one would be?
75.
This one's not 75. 55, yep, because it's across from that guy. You know, this one's 50, and this guy would be, bingo. That's it. Okay, we turn the page, I think. Linear pair. So a linear pair are two angles that are adjacent. Do you remember what adjacent means? They're together. They're next to each other, so they're adjacent. And supplementary. So they are connected to each other, and what do they have to add to if they're supplementary? 180. So maybe you want to put that 180 and that they are together. So if we wanted to find x here, 30 plus x has to equal what? If they make this straight line.
What? Oh.
What do they have to add to? Yeah, 180.
150.
Because you just subtracted over 30? Good job. Find the value of x on each angle measure. So what's our move here, folks? What do these two angles have to add to? Right, because you see how they make this line right here? So 15x plus 5 plus 20x gives us 180. Oh boy, how many x's are we going to have over here? Yep, 15 plus 20 is 35x. Now what should we do? Minus 5. So 35x equals 175. And we divide out. Hopefully we get a whole number. I don't remember.
5.
5. Perfect. Now we have to plug back in to find each angle measure. So if we do this 20x, 20 times 5 is 100. Yeah. That one's 100 degrees. 15 times 5 plus 5. That's a lot of 5s. Yep. So this will give us 75 plus 5.
On both sides.
Oh, sorry. So this one would be 80. This is 100. This angle right here would be 80. 100. I just showed my work over there. That's kind of confusing though. I should probably erase that. Okay, and our last one. Find the value of x. Oh boy.
Well, the one in the middle, is the right angle.
Oh, good call. So let's put 90 here. Then what do all three of these have to add to? Because they make a line.
Isn't the 90 not part of it though?
It actually is in this case. Because it's like taking up this part here.
Oh, I get it.
So we could write x plus 90 plus 35 equals 180. So if we add our like terms, what's 90 plus 35?
125.
Yep. Yep, minus 125. $55. Kind of confusing or not so much?
Not so much. Not that I got the hang of it.
Okay. And we'll practice. We'll do our worksheet right now and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to stop.